Let's find out the monopoly profit from a multi-plant monopolist with the given demand function. The question is like this: consider a monopolist with market demand function. This is the market demand function where P is equal to 20 minus Q. P is the price, Q is the output. It is a multi-plant monopolist with two plants, plant 1 and plant 2, where plant specific cost functions of plant I is equal to 1, 2, is being given us. So we are being given plant specific cost functions is CIQI is equal to 2 plus QI. So our cost will be 2 plus 4QI as long as QI is greater than 0, and our cost will be 0 otherwise. Okay, if nothing is being produced. The optimal monopoly profit is, the options are 60, 64, 68, or 62. Okay, so let's try to find out what we are being given. We are being given the market demand function is 20 minus Q for the monopolist. Okay, so we have two plants. For monopolist, he has two plants, plant 1 and plant 2, and here you can easily see that cost functions in both the plants is same. That means if I take C1 Q1 C1 Q1, that means first plant it is cost will be 2 plus 4Q1. Okay, and similarly C2 Q2, if I take second plant, its cost function is 2 plus 4Q2. Okay, so these are the same cost function scenarios with the multi-plant monopolist. So I have to do nothing, I just take any of the plant as the cost function. Okay, this is our inverse demand function or market demand function. And what will be our cost function then? So let's take any of this. So let me write it in general terms. So our total cost will be equal to 2 plus 4Q. Okay, so Q1 or Q2, in place of this I have written Q. Okay, now for monopoly, what is the profit maximizing condition? Simple, we equate marginal revenue with marginal cost. Okay, so we are being given this price function. We need to find out the total revenue function, which is price into quantity, which gives us price function is 20 minus Q. To this we multiply Q to get the total revenue. So this comes out to be 20Q minus Q square. This is the total revenue function. Now what is then marginal revenue? Marginal revenue is simply the derivative of total revenue function with respect to Q. So derivative of Q is 1, we are left with 20 minus derivative of Q square is 2Q. This is our marginal revenue. If C is this, what is our marginal cost? Simply the derivative of cost function with respect to output. So taking derivative of this cost function, so derivative of constant is 0, derivative of Q is 1, so we are left with 4. Okay, so our marginal cost is equal to 4. Now using this profit maximizing condition, that is marginal revenue should be equal to marginal cost. Marginal revenue is 20 minus 2Q, and marginal cost which we got is equal to 4. And let us solve this. So if I transpose it here, so this becomes 2Q is equal to, transposing this positive 4 here, it becomes negative. 20 minus 4 is 16, which implies Q is equal to 16 upon 2, which is 8. Okay, so quantity, optimal quantity is 8, and corresponding to this, what will be the price? Just plug Q is equal to 8 in the demand function. So we have 20 minus the value of Q is 8, so 20 minus 8 is 12. Okay, now what about the profit? Simple thing, we know profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost, which implies total revenue is nothing, price into quantity, minus what is total cost function? 2 plus 4Q. Okay, so let me write it here, 2 plus 4Q. Just plug the values of P and Q. So P into Q implies P is 12, Q is 8, and then we have minus 2 minus 4 into Q is 8. Okay, so when solving, this comes out to be 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8 again. Now minus 2 minus 4 8s are 32, which comes out to be So let me write it here. So this is 96 minus 34, which comes out to be 9 minus 6 is 3, I guess. That means our profit will be equal to 62. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you. For more videos on mathematical economics, please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share also. Thank you.